Alright, continuing with our buzzard here that we have. Okay, let's just sort of kind of get this. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit more. That's a little bit too big for the neck part. There you go. Just like that. Okay, let's kind of take some wood away. Here. This is a carving that's been around for a while. I just haven't carved too many of them. But although it's a very neat carving, what's neat is to carve one that carve a small one and put it on in a graveyard or something like that. Okay, we'll just do a little shaping. Alright. Okay, now what we're going to do is from this point on, we're going to draw a little line along here, and we're going to kind of bring that down and there. Kind of make that lower. For the stomach area, in other words, where his stomach sticks way out. Kind of make that. Well, we make this lower is what we do it where the stomach kind of sticks out in that area, but we had kind of tell where, see, like this. There we go. Okay, let's look at our piece now from the side. We've still got quite a bit of work to do. Removal. Okay, let's look at that. See? Now let's kind of work on these wings a little bit. Kind of carving in here and there. See that? Moving some wood in there, and then I'll redraw the wings, the feathers later, the ones at the bottom here. Okay, now what happens is, let me see where my pencil is, folks. There it is. Let me get my pencil, I'm sorry. Roll it all the way over there. Sorry. Drop all my stuff. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm just kind of. Okay, I'm gonna come up here and get my position here where you can see. Alright, now what your wings are going to do is over in this area just kind of come down like this, in other words, on each side. Kind of come down. Where it's sort of, and then you kind of just remove this area in here. There we go. And like this, just sort of move that area in there. See how the that. These almost look like shoulders when you get through with them, in other words, like the shoulders of a person, how the wings are set, in other words, in that sense. Okay. Move some more wood down in here. All right, let's look at our piece. Look at it for a minute. See what we have here. Boy, I dropped that pencil, I tell you. Alright, we're looking good. Looking good in here. Now, the back, let me get my pencil again, folks. You know, when you're trying to carve before a camera, you don't have all the facilities of sitting there. Now, from the back, we actually it sort of comes back, it sort of comes down like this and comes over like this and then comes down just like that. And then we kind of have our feathers back here, as we might say. Sort of. So what you do is you come back behind here and you separate, you begin to separate your actually it comes more at a angle like this, okay? I'm sorry, just like that. Which is the same thing, but I mean basically. And you just begin to take away from your feathers back here. There we go. All right, my time is about up for this one. Let me see what I did, see? And basically these actually, as we might say, are separated from one another. Just like that. Okay.